The instinct of human is a fascinating topic that explores the natural behaviors and tendencies inherent to all people. Throughout history, the instinct of human has played a significant role in shaping our actions and decisions. In this video, we will delve into the concept of human instinct, discussing its origins, impact, and significance. All in simple words, human instinct refers to the inherent, automatic response that emerges from within us in certain situations. It is deeply rooted in our biology and has evolved over thousands of years to help us survive and thrive. Human instincts can vary from person to person, but there are some common instincts that are universally observed. One of the most fundamental instincts of human beings is the instinct for self-preservation. This instinct drives us to protect ourselves from harm and ensure our own survival. When faced with danger, our bodies automatically respond by triggering the fight or flight response, an instinctual reaction that prepares us to either confront the threat or flee from it. This instinct has been crucial for our ancestors' survival, and it continues to influence our behavior today. Another important aspect of human instinct is the instinct for social interaction. Humans are social creatures, and we have an innate need to belong, connect, and collaborate with others. This instinct is evident in various ways, such as seeking companionship, forming friendships, and participating in social activities. Moreover, empathy is an instinctual response that allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering compassion and cooperation. Additionally, the instinct for reproduction is deeply ingrained in human nature. The instinctual drive to procreate ensures the continuation of our species. It is this instinct that leads to the formation of romantic relationships and the desire to have children. The instinct for nurturing and protecting our offspring is also an essential element of our survival as a species. While human instincts are essential for our survival and well-being, they can also be influenced by external factors. Society and culture play a significant role in shaping and modifying our instincts. For example, societal norms and values often dictate how we express our instinctual behaviors. Cultural upbringing also influences how we perceive and respond to certain situations. Thus, while instincts are innate, their expression and consequences can be influenced by our surroundings. Understanding human instincts is crucial as it helps us comprehend and empathize with the actions and behaviors of others. It enables us to acknowledge that certain reactions are not deliberate choices but rather automatic responses deeply ingrained within us. Recognizing this can lead to more compassion, tolerance, and understanding in our interactions with others. In conclusion, the instinct of human is a fascinating aspect of our nature. From the instinct for self-preservation to the instinct for social interaction and reproduction, these innate responses are deeply rooted in our biology. While instincts are influenced by society and culture, they remain intrinsic to our being. By acknowledging and understanding human instincts, we can cultivate empathy, compassion, and better interpersonal relationships. Embracing our instincts while consciously guiding their expression is a vital part of what it means to be human.